Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 5S and let me show you how to turn on and off camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button to open camera settings, and here we can find watermark options, so let's pick it. Now we get access to 4 types of watermarks. Let me focus on the third one, device name. By using the button from the right we can easily turn on ASUS watermark and turn it off as we need. When it's turned on we can see it also here in short preview. So this is how it looks like, Republic of Gamers. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.